Hi everyone, welcome back to Press for Better Adventures. Today we're diving into the world of specialty coffee with the incredible team here at Verve Coffee Roasters in Santa Cruz, California. We're going behind the scenes to learn what makes great coffee, how to taste like a pro, and how to perfect your AeroPress brew. Verve has 18 locations spread throughout Santa Cruz, the Bay Area, Los Angeles, and Japan. They were established in 2007 and won Roast Magazine Roaster of the Year Award in the macro category in 2024. They source directly from farmers, are known for their quality coffee and sustainability practices. They've installed solar panels here at their Santa Cruz headquarters and roasting facility. This offsets 424,000 pounds of carbon emissions alone. I would be so excited to visit one of the locations in Japan. Japan's been very high on my list for somewhere to travel to, so that would be really exciting. So whether you're at home or on the go, let's go check it out.
Hi, I'm Liv, and I'm the head roaster here at Verve Coffee Roasters in Santa Cruz.
Hi, I'm Kylee, and I'm the Senior Green Coffee Buyer at Verve Coffee Roasters. This is our roastery. We do most of our roasting on the Loring, this big one right here. So all of the green coffee shipment comes in this way. The pallets are here, and then they get stored and placed and labeled according to what makes the most sense for the operational flow. So green coffee, roasted coffee, and then the coffee will get put into these barrels where they sit for production to pull them. And then once production pulls the barrels, they move them through the hallway into our production facility for packing and shipping.
Hi, I'm Kat. I'm one of the roasters for Verve, and right now I'm going to explain to you the process of how we're making our blends. Right now we blend each component separately, so all of this coffee that's moving right here is just one component, and it's a Colombian called Monte Benito. So this right here is the distoner. When coffee goes up into this little parcel, like this little tank, there's a vacuum that sucks it up, and it helps separate stones that might have gone into the coffee before putting it into the blend. And so we'll use this for every single coffee that we go through, whether it's a single origin or a component. And so when it's a single origin, it usually comes out of just this one little spout because it doesn't need to get blended. But for a blend, it goes down this little highway, this little trolley of beans. So it goes down through here, goes carried all the way up, and then it gets taken into this mixer over here. It's essentially like a huge food-grade cement mixer, but it doesn't really crush any of the beans. It just helps mix and get all of the blend components through.
Hi, I'm Griffin. I'm the Coffee Lab and Logistics Manager here at Verve, and we're going to do a cupping today. So I have my hot water here. And I'm going to pour this into these cups with the ground up coffee. I'm going to start the timer. And then at 4 minutes, we're going to do what's called breaking the crust. And we're going to scrape off this crust afterwards. And then around 12 minutes, we're going to start slurping. Right now the coffee is extracting, and the standard, just to be consistent, is that at 4 minutes we take a spoon and we're going to dip it in water. Going to get kind of in a slightly athletic stance, like knees bent. You want to get close to it. And I'm going to pretend right now, because we're not quite there, but we're going to rinse off the spoon and then get like an inch away, kind of exhale before, and then time it so that you inhale when you break the crust, because that's a big aromatic release moment. And we're doing this across 4 cups to assess the uniformity. So we want to make sure that the coffee that we're sending to people is consistent. So if we're seeing some inconsistencies, maybe we adjust the roast. So you got your spoon?
Yep.
So spoon, so we'll dip it between every cup. We're gonna dip it in water to make sure that there's no cross-contamination or anything like
And
that.
you tap it?
So yeah, just to get any water off.
Okay.
And then you're going to get a little lower. You're gonna.
I don't have to get that much lower. Probably citrus, if anything, for this one for me. And fruity.
Yeah, yeah.
More than chocolatey.
Yeah, yeah. Now we're gonna do a slurp. You don't have to make the loud slurp, but
Oh,
yeah.
I'll try. Is there a method to that?
Yeah, so you
Can you come
kind of
slurp with us?
try to aerate. You want to aerate the liquid is the point of all this.
Okay. So you put the spoon.
That's perfect, yeah.
Oh, I would inhale it.
That's perfect, yeah, nice. There you go.
Amazing.
Coffee cupping.
It's actually so yummy. Okay, let me try this one.
Yeah.
Delicious coffee. Do you know any coffee myths? So I'm going to be asking the rapid fire question. Yeah. With the perfect temperature.
Yes.
My name's Sophia. They're not. That's when I go for my little sweet treat.
I want you to tell me about your pink AeroPress and your love and appreciation.
The pink AeroPress. Very cute. I love everything about this because I love everything pink.